2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering automatic parking, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, seat massage, third row seating, heated side view mirrors. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.